Using the horizontal bandsaw, the old green one. Always get teacher permission before using the machine. Safety glasses are needed for all power tools and machines. Tie back long hair and remove any large baggy clothing. Swing the latch counterclockwise until it rests against the teeth of the gears. Raise the arm of the saw up. It will now stay in the air with the latch on the teeth of the gear. Place your piece of metal on the saw. Move the stand underneath the end of the metal if it is needed. Lift and open the clamp so the vise is open far enough for the metal to fit through. Slide the metal through the vise so that it is underneath the blade. Slide the clamp so it is tight against the material. Lower the saw arm by first lifting it, then moving the latch out of the way. Let the blade drop as close to the metal as possible without touching. Put the latch back in place to hold the saw up. Check to make sure the blade is above the metal. Measure the amount of material needed to be cut. Never put your fingers underneath the blade where the cutting occurs. Make sure you are holding the ruler against the blade and your material at the same time. If you hold the ruler against the vise instead of the blade, your piece will be too short. Turn the wheel with two hands to clamp the material in place. Double check the material to make sure there's still room to cut in the correct spot. Flip the front switch up to turn power on. Press the mag switch down to turn the machine on. This will require quite a bit of force. Lift the saw arm up and then move the latch to the right out of the way. Let the saw go to begin cutting. Once finished cutting, the saw will turn itself off. Loosen the clamp and remove the material from the saw. Put the material back into the storage rack. Slide the clamp forward until the latch is now sitting in the furthest notch forward. Your freshly cut piece of metal will have sharp edges and may be hot. Handle it carefully.